Sun as I am the head of the solar system. The Sun is a huge star present at the center of the solar system and all 8 planets revolve around me. It is a huge ball of fire and gases, it is oxygen and etc. The Sun gives us heat and light for the environment and the growth of organisms. The Sun is said to have the same age as the solar system. The Sun is basically in the sphere shape and it gives gases because hydrogen is filled for Sun up to 70% and 28% of helium. Sun rotates the direction opposite to the Earth. The energy of the Sun helps in the growing of crops. Moreover, the crops depend on the Sun to grow and make.
Hi, I am Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and closest planet to the Sun. It is the second hottest planet in the solar system. Mercury does not have any satellites or ring systems. Mercury is named after the Roman god of commerce, travel, and living. Mercury can be seen without binoculars or telescope. Mercury it completes revolution in 88 days. The diameter of Mercury is 1/3 of Earth. Venus is the neighboring planet of the Mercury. Mercury is the color of the Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun in the solar system and nearest planet to the Earth. Poisonous clouds traps the heat from the Sun and covers the mountain surface of extreme continents and lava caves. Temperature Venus or the hottest on any planet in the solar system and standing on the planet's surface to present. Diameter of Venus is 7.521 million. Distance from the Sun is 67.237.9110 million. Number of moons is known. Time to turn axis is 243 days. Time to orbit the Sun is 244 days 17 hours. Surface Earth.
The planet on which we lived 2.5 billion years ago. The Earth is the home for all forms of plants, animals and human beings because of its suitable distance from the Sun, range of temperature, life-supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. The Earth is called by many names. Some of them are unique planet, angry planet, blue planet and watery planet. The Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. The total geographical area of the Earth is 510 billion square kilometers. It is approximately 4 times greater than the Moon and it is around 107 times lesser than the Sun. The land bodies on the Earth are called continents. There are 7 continents namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The large water bodies on the Earth are known as oceans. There are 4 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Arctic Ocean. A natural satellite called Moon.
Of the Earth. In India, it's called Chandra. The moon and Earth was excited together in space ever since the moon formed as the result of a cosmic slate. It orbits around our planet keeping the same phase towards us at all times as we gaze on its sunlit surface. We looked at a landscape that was barely changed since. Moon profile diameter 3,474 kilometers and orbit on the Earth.
Hi, I am in Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun's family. Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance, rocky planet with a thin atmosphere. Mars has the longest day in our solar system with a day lasting 24 hours and 37 minutes and 22 seconds. The planet's surface temperature can range from 125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. The planet's reddish color is due to iron oxide rust in the soil. Mars is formed when gravity pulled swelling gas and dust into became the 4th planet from the Sun. Smallest of the solar system planet with a diameter of 6,779 kilometers. The distance is about 1.
Hi, I am Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter has a diameter about 88.695 miles. That creates shade of the Jupiter or 5 shades. They are white, orange, brown, yellow and red. Jupiter mass is more than 2.5 times of all other planets in the solar system combined. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet after Jupiter because Saturn is 1/3 less than Jupiter and Saturn can flow in water because it is made up of a gas like helium. Saturn, the beautiful rings around the Saturn are made up of bits of ice, rock and dust. Saturn revolves very slowly around the
And Venus. Venus is the 3rd largest planet in the solar system. It is discovered in 1781 at the mass 30 by the Venus mission. Venus is the coldest planet
planet in the solar system. It takes 84 Earth years to complete the configuration and rotation. Venus is also called as a ice giant planet because its layer is made up of ice and nitrogen, helium and methane. Uranus looks blue in color because of the presence of a methane. Uranus has 27 satellites. The seventh planet from the sun with the third largest diameter in the solar system is Uranus. Uranus has a very cold and windy temperature, -220 Celsius and -915 degrees Celsius. In India, Uranus is called as a Indra. Uranus have 13 rings and 11 of them are visible.
Uranus, Neptune. Okay, these are the